Ceal presents how to use a semicolon. Are you ready for this? Do you recognize this symbol? Well, I know you've seen it in text messages as a smiley face, but it's much, much more than that. It's also known as the semicolon. Now, what is a semicolon and how do you use it, you may ask? Well, let me show you. So say you have two independent clauses. My brother loves dessert. His favorite dessert is cheesecake. There's my little brother Miles. Isn't he cute? And cheesecake, yummy. So good. Notice how when I read those two sentences out loud, the period makes a long pause between the two. Now if we want to eliminate that pause without using a conjunction such as and, but, or so, then we can use a semicolon instead. But we first have to make sure that the two independent clauses relate to or contrast one another. So do these two relate? Yes, because they're both talking about dessert. Great! Now let me show you what the sentence looks like with a semicolon. A new, long, complex sentence. My brother loves dessert. His favorite dessert is cheesecake. As you can see, the semicolon comes between each independent clause, which we know has its own subject and verb. So let's see if you can remember what our friend the semicolon just taught us. Well, first, it will combine two independent clauses. It also can eliminate the long pause and create a more complex sentence. Oops, I'm almost out of room. It will also eliminate the need for a conjunction, so it's really, really useful. We're almost done. So now let's talk about some do's and don'ts with our friend the semicolon. So first of all, you want to remember to never use conjunctions with a semicolon. And by conjunctions, I mean either and, but, or, nor, yet, or so. Just a bad idea. You can use commas instead, and then our friend the semicolon will be happy. But you do want to remember to use semicolons with transitional phrases when writing, such as however, therefore, for example, and there's many, many more. Let me show you an example so you don't get confused. Let's get ready for example time, woohoo! The example I'm going to show you uses a semicolon with a transitional phrase. So let's get started. My brother loves dessert. However, he hates strawberry ice cream. Because who likes fruit in their ice cream? Notice how the transitional phrase, however, follows the semicolon, and a comma always comes after the transitional phrase. So hopefully that helped. I hope you had fun with our friend Mr. Semicolon today. Yay! Remember, only use the semicolon when you need to. Try not to overuse it. With love, Molly. See you soon at ELSS. There's me.